Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify carryover losses using IRS Form 8582, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify carryover losses using IRS Form 8582, begin by gathering your financial documents. Ensure you have your previous tax returns, particularly any related to passive activity losses. Obtain a copy of IRS Form 8582, which is available on the IRS website. Familiarize yourself with the purpose of Form 8582, which is to calculate the allowable passive activity losses for the year. Start by filling out Part 1 of the form, which focuses on your passive activities. Report your passive activity gains and losses for the current tax year in the designated sections. Next, proceed to Part 2 to determine your rental real estate activity. If you qualify as a real estate professional, input the necessary information based on your involvement. Continue to Part 3, where you will calculate your allowable loss for the current year. Refer to the instructions provided with Form 8582 to ensure accurate calculations. Determine your unallowed passive activity losses carried over from previous years. Make sure to accurately summarize these losses in the appropriate section of the form. In Part 4, list your total passive loss carryover for the year. Double-check that all figures are accurately recorded and calculations are correct. Once completed, review your form to ensure all information is precise and consistent with your financial records. Keep a copy of your completed Form 8582 for your personal records in future reference. Finally, attach Form 8582 to your tax return before submitting it to the IRS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.